It's Walking Away Wednesday, and today I'm going to talk about staying healthy and active if you're over 50 on a cruise ship. Now, I'm 58, and cruising is one of my favorite things, but when I cruise, I also want to feel good when I come home. So there are a few things that I always try to do on my cruises so that I can achieve that. Now, my first tip, one of the things that I try to do is try to start the day with morning exercise, either a morning walk or one of the classes that they may have on board. Some ships do have walking classes to where there's a group of you that will walk together, usually around one of the main decks. Often there's a walking track, usually like on the pool deck or right above the pool deck, or there may be a lower deck, which is to me better because I tend to go all the way around the ship. But also it depends on the weather too, because sometimes maybe it's raining outside or maybe it's a little cooler. So in those cases, you might want to go to the fitness center, to the gym, where they have treadmills, and a lot of times the treadmills, they have a nice view so they overlook the ocean while you're getting your workout in. So that's a great option too. So no matter which option you choose, getting a daily walk in really helps to keep things going. Another thing I like to do is to count my steps and make it a goal each day. And it just depends, 10,000 steps, 12,000 steps, 20,000 steps. And I'll use a fitness tracker to actually track my steps. My tip number 2 is to hydrate. With so many drink options on board, it's easy to forget about the water, but no, you don't want to forget about the water. Now, depending on what cruise line you sail, sometimes getting a margarita is easier than getting a bottle of water. Now, one way to do that, if your cruise ship has the option, you can pre-purchase bottles of water and have them sent to your room to where they're handy, they're easy to pick up and go when you need it. Now, yes, you can still pick up a nice cold bottle of water at a bar when you stop by, but oftentimes that can be inconvenient if you're not close to a bar. So another option out there would be to bring your own water bottles. And there are many options for water bottles. There are some that are insulated, so you can get water, get it cold, put some ice in there, and it will keep your drinks cold all day. Cruise ships have water bottle filling stations, which make it easy and convenient for you to refill your water bottles. And the important thing is to always remember to balance the water with the other liquids that you drink. That way you can make sure that you're properly hydrated throughout the day. My next tip is to go for balance and not restriction. So don't skip the dessert. Instead, make it a daily goal. Make it a walking goal. Say you're going to walk so far of a distance in order to enjoy that dessert. Or that you're going to get so many steps in the day to indulge. You're on a cruise. Enjoy it. Don't restrict yourself. But also just make sure you don't regret it when you get back home. You can enjoy every bit of your cruise and still honor your body. Wellness at sea is possible and powerful for life after 50.
I'm SIGCruiser Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.